Alright, got the Hobbywing 5690, 1250 kV and sensor with the Castle 8 SEAC. Got KiloWattRc mod 1.5 gears on here. 18T pinion, 30T spur, and PNWrcMadness spur shaft, which is a Cush Drive Delete. Also got the GPM mod 1.6 gears in there. Got those from PNWrcMadness. Cool guys over there. Just an Xmaxx bash. See how she does. Like I said, she's in sensor. Didn't mean to do that. What the hell is wrong with my landing? Oh my God. Nothing's working good. Alright man, let me stop playing and bash this thing right. Ramp like that. See how she looks. Still looks good. Got the KiloWattRc mod 1.5 gears up in there. Mesh still good. See what the bulkheads look like. They like to break. Just keep bashing, man. I broke a hinge pin. Ask your mom. I broke an upper A-arm. See, it busted right through the hinge pin. Also bent the axle. Gotta fix that. But she's running pretty good though. Try it again. Must have broke a titanium axle. Yeah. Oh, broke a drive cap. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. That's a cool little bash though.